Namaste. So today I would like to show you some of the movement and one of the very good postures for diabetes. So those who are suffering high sugar level or diabetes, for them this practice is very important and it will help to reduce the sugar level if you are doing properly. The key ingredients for this practice is you need to hold this postures for a longer time with awareness, with your ease, whichever way you can go and hold it. The more you hold the posture, it will give you that benefit. So before that we do actual postures, we will do some loosening exercise for that particular area. That's where the pancreas we are stimulating. So sit down in a cross leg, spine straight, both hands on your knees. Now slowly rotate and churn out your body. Try to make sure that your buttocks won't lift up. Your buttocks keep on the ground and look up. Don't look down. So you keep looking up. Breathe in and breathe out. Now slowly go down as much as possible. Keep looking up and try to make a full circle. You will feel the whole body, your waist area is stimulation. So continue this very slowly with awareness. So the side bending is very important for those who are suffering for the diabetes. The more they twist the stomach and the side body, it will helpful for them. So keep doing it, normal breathing with awareness. You can do 10 rounds clockwise and then again you do anti-clockwise. Slowly. All movements are slow and be aware. Enjoy this. Breathe in. Breathe out. Do not lift your buttocks. Keep going on. You will see the nice stimulation on your abdomen, your waist area. So once you complete, now we do a forward. Again breathing and expand your lungs. Use your tailbone to go down, look up. Breathe out. Whichever extent you go, do not lift your buttocks. Stay there, keep looking up. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Now we do a twisting. Slowly breathe in and twist. Expand the chest and keep focusing on your abdomen and stay there. You can close eyes and focus your abdomen muscles and breathing through the abdomen. Very slow. Breathe in and breathe out. Now other side. Make sure your neck straight. Expand your chest. Normal breathing. Ideally, you should hold this as long as you can. Keep focusing on your abdomen and release it. So after this, I will show you one posture called Vakrasana, simple twist posture, which anyone can do it. So slowly, you can straighten your right leg straight, left leg you keep on your knees, and left hand you can use a support and make sure your spine straight. So this is the position. Now use your right hand up, breathe in, stretch up and twist your whole body, breathe out and use your shoulder and push the left leg and try to catch ankle if you can. If you cannot catch the ankle, whichever extent you go is fine, and just stay there. and expand the chest. Don't be contract. Expand the chest, open up the chest, push it and twist it and look behind. You can twist more. The more you relax, more you easy, you can stay there and keep breathing and hold the posture for a while. Meditate in this posture. Total focus on your abdomen muscles. The more you relax your muscles, the more you can twist. This is amazing posture for those who want to reduce the sugar level and get rid of diabetes. By doing this posture, you will see a very good effect. Keep breathing. Awareness, slowness is very, very important. Stay there and slowly come back. Release your hand. Release your leg. Now we do the same postures with other side. Fold your right leg. Use your right hand to support. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Catch the ankle. Expand the chest and stay there. Normal breathing. Hold it for a while. Neck relaxed. Shoulder relaxed. Breathing is normal. Now slowly release your hand, release your leg and relax in the sitting relaxation position. So keep practicing this few twisting exercise. This will really help you if you are suffering diabetes or obesity, or you would like to reduce the waist fat. This is really a good practice. Thank you very much.